Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this screen, then you know which series we are going to talk. Yes, today we are going to talk about 13th episode of our preparation for summer semester 2025. How we are preparing for summer semester 2025. We are going through the DAAD website, checking for the universities which are offering electrical engineering courses for the term summer semester 2025, and also we are only checking public university which semester fees is less than 500 euros, English only courses and on-site only courses. So with all these search criteria that we have used, we have got 42 results in our criteria for summer semester 2025, and you can see our criteria which are used in the website. In the meantime, also we have already made 12 videos. You can just count that by in this web bookmark that we have done, and also if you want to see it in detail, then we have maintaining a Excel sheet where we have all our college courses and when is the deadline and how to apply. But this Excel sheet will be handed over to everyone once at the end of this series. Before let's get started this video, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click that like, share and subscribe button, and also please share these videos with the people who are in need so that they can watch this video and prepare themselves to apply for masters in Germany. Likewise, if we start today, we are going through the 13th college, and the 13th college is RPTU University of Kaiserslautern Landau, but for the course Embedded Computing System. If you remember, we already had a video made for embedded or automation and control for the same university, and the university details are in green. Why? Because we also were inside the application deadline. That's why I already applied or showed you how to apply. So you already guessed it. So once we have this review video for RPTU Kaiserslautern for the course Embedded Computing System, the next upcoming videos which gonna release on next week on Monday will be showing you how to apply for this particular course for RPTU college. So today let's get started with the review and things as usual we cover in this series. We can just click in open in new tab where we can open it, and this is the main website of DAAD where they have mentioned or given information about complete RPTU course for embedded computing system. And this is the overview, and here is the degree. Of course, it's a Master of Science, and technical knowledge is English, and the language, the core program usually taught in English, but elective courses and the thesis can be in both German and English. The core components means core program. So these are the subjects that you have to finish it mandatorily, and you don't have that much of choices. Maybe there will be like 1 or 2 choices. So you say example, you will be having around 8 subjects. You have to do 6 subjects, and these are the subjects that you have to do mandatorily. So that's the reason they have given or made it like compulsory do it in English. So don't take a chance, or they have not included any German courses. But in electives, there are some courses that might interest you, but they are in German, and you don't want to study or write exam in German, but you can just take it up and learn in German the particular course. But you have an opportunity to write the thesis and do elective subjects in German also, even though you are studying in English. That is one good thing that they have mentioned here. And the course is full time. The course duration is 4 semesters. As I told you, it's a Master of Science, and it is, I think, technically like technical university. That's the reason it is 4 semester. Beginning of the semester, so this course and this college is offering the same course, admission in both winter and summer semester. So this admission will be open on both intake. The application deadline for summer semester is 31st October. Yes, today is 20th September, so we are still inside the limit. So that's the reason I told you the next upcoming videos I will show how to apply. If you don't get this time, then you can use the same video and apply for winter semester next also, because winter semester is still 30th April. Then you can just see the tuition fees is none. We have set a criteria that we need to search for the colleges which doesn't have any tuition fees, and these are the 2 information which we are not least bothered. Then the description and content, you can just see Embedded Computing System ESY is a 4 semester master program. A total of 120 ECTS must be acquired, or in order to award you a master degree, you should finish 120 ECTS. But in that, 30 ECTS will be your master thesis. So you will be doing 90 credits of whole courses, including laboratory if they are offering you. Here they have just gone through everything. You can just see you will be studying or developing the skills in system architecture, hardware and software, design methodology, system level modeling, design techniques and testing and verification, embedded system application areas, knowledge on application areas needed to be optimized, and embedded system solutions, things like this. These are normal like basic embedded course which comprises of. These are the modules that it basically comprises of. Then if you can see, the core program should be 35 to 55 credit points, core programs, and elective programs has 35 to 55 credit points, and master thesis is 30 credit points. If you just say count here, if you do 60 plus 60, it will be 120 here itself, right? 55 plus 55, it will be around 110. Then if you count 30, it will be 140. So 20 credits are extra. So that means they are offering more subjects. You can do in these whole subjects 90 credit. Okay, in this core plus elective, choose and complete 90 credits. Above that also you can do, but they won't consider it as a credit points like 125, 130. But for your wish, you can do it. Then you can also ask your exam department to consider this other subject that you have done extra, so that they will consider that marks in your final grade if you want to. Then we can click detailedly on course details. So here course details has like international guest lectures will be there, and specialist literature in other languages also. Then projects with the partner in Germany and abroad. So you can also do projects, means master thesis are also being done in partner companies you can do, and also you can do exchange semester abroad in other country here in Europe, and do your international some of the courses, some exchange program, or if you want to do master thesis, you can do it. Then integrated internships is there. So internship are not integral part of curriculum. Okay, sorry. So it's not an integral part, but they can be carried out on a volunteer basis. As I told you, you can take a 6 months of leave from the college as a Urlaub semester. Then you can apply as how you apply normally. Then if you get an internship, then you can do. But here the point to be noted is, if you don't have a mandatory internship, your preference will be less, because the preference first will be given to a guy who has the mandatory internship in his college. Okay. Then cost and fundings. Cost and fundings should be 0, but there is a line called semester contribution in all public university. You have to pay around 285 euros for per semester. For RPTU Landau, it is 170 euros per semester, which includes your public transport of RPTU surroundings, free university sport courses, and etc. So it won't exceed your 500 limit. So that's the reason you have this. So you will have a 285 per semester, which is a for RPTU Kaiserslautern, and for RPTU Landau it is 170. So based on each college there is different. So as I told you, this is a social fees. Then there is a assessment fees for your application. So if you have remember, as I told you in previously also, there is a German payment that you have to do if you want to apply. After applying, you have to do a one-time payment where they are used or asked this to first verify for students from foreign countries that they are really interested in applying, and they use this as a application payment to check your application and give you the results. So this don't forget. So this is in our whole series, only this college has this special application fees of 75 euros that you have to pay in order to after applying, in order to check your application with the college. Then cost of living will be, yes, as I told you, it will vary from 850 to 1000, but anyway you have to use your blocked account money which you have blocked already. Then use it wisely. So after 1 year, depending on the city, some the cities will ask you to again show the blocked account. Some people, if you have some work contracts, like some part-time work contracts, then also you will get your next year visas. So this is how it works. Then registration and requirements. As I told you, in order to apply for this particular course in the RPTU university, you need to have a bachelor degree in electrical engineering or equivalent foreign degree in the related field. So it should be inside the same area how you have closely related areas itself. Then the CGPA should be more, and the bachelor grade shall not be lower than 1.7 German GPA. So this also I have tested in the last time. So it has a higher requirement, but you can also use this college if you have this higher requirement CGPA. If you have, apply it. If you don't have, don't worry, we have so many other colleges we have shown you in this summer semester 2025 series where you can apply and get the college. For this they have the higher requirement. If you are still doubt how to convert, check how much German GPA you're getting, please check the RPTU, the first video which we made for other course. There I have showed you in the video only how to check your German GPA. Then GRE is recommended. It doesn't mean it is mandatory. So please get to know the difference between recommended and mandatory. So it is not it is only recommended, it's not mandatory. So it's not a requirement. Then you need to have a B in general B ECTS grading system. So then you need to have a English, or for English you need to have a IELTS certificate. That will be around 6 points, so B2 level. Then application deadline is this. You can submit your application on this particular link, and no need to worry, I will make you another video in next upcoming thing where I will show you how to apply for Master of Science for the course Embedded Computing Systems. This is what it was it. Then we can just check for the services, and they have like possibility of finding part-time job and accommodation and things like that. They have all. After you get your college, you can also check for the student and work they have. You can just apply here. If you get, it's very well advised to be in student and work so that you will be in your community. Then also they have supports for international students like welcome event, buddy program. So if you register for buddy program, technically means if you're coming here for first time, some college senior will come and pick you from the Bhanov or the airport which is near and things like that. So this is how they have also made it in one particular services platform. This is the thing, and this is the video that I wanted to share you today for RPTU Embedded Computing System for the course. Then I took some time and I also pasted everything here in our Excel sheet. If you can see, I have made it already green because I will be making video now. As soon as I stop this video, I will make a video for RPTU application for embedded computing system. Then you can see it on Monday and start applying for the same course. Now, as usual, we can click it on wish list, and you can just see our watch list is now 13 colleges are done. So thank you for watching this video until here. As usual, at the end of the video, it's a routine to say, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and share this video maximum with the people who are in need. Thank you so much. See you in next video. Bye bye.